Hey guys, it's me Francis, and I got a video going out to the guys at Blizzard. I read in the news today that you killed one of my friends. You killed the last great hope of great online games. Today, if you haven't heard, they canceled their secret project called Project Titan. The game we've all been waiting on for 7 fucking years. The game that we all subscribed to World of Warcraft to help fund. And now it's fucking gone. Today they said that they scrapped the project. And then they said it was supposed to be a massively multiplayer online game like EverQuest or Ultima Online or RuneScape or World of Warcraft. And it was going to be the next great one. It's going to be the second generation, the second coming. And we were all banking on that game. We all needed that game. The industry, the players, Blizzard, you needed that game. And now it's gone. And then the only MMOs that are out of shock. They're fucking terrible. They're World of Warcraft clones. Star Wars The Old Republic. Shocks. Elder Scrolls Online. Double shocks. They're all terrible. They're all just clones of World of Warcraft. If I wanted to play World of Warcraft after a decade, I'd just go back to World of Warcraft. And that game's dying. You can't find anybody to play with. Even with multi-server cross-platform bullshit. You spend 20 minutes in the goddamn queue. Nobody even talks in that fucking game anymore. We're all just holding out for Project Titan. And it fell today. Like a Titanfall. Another game that sucks! Well, I guess I'm done. I guess I quit. I guess I give up on the entire MMORPG franchise forever. I'll never buy another one. In fact, I'll just go back to World of Warcraft, because that's what you want anyway, isn't it? You want me to buy Warlords of Draenor? Well, a great way to do it is by crushing my last fucking hope of a better game! Sons of bitches.